Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my demolition game where I just tear it up. And I hope you guys enjoy. Talk to you later. Bye. I also wish that you would please like, favorite, and subscribe this video because I'm a small time YouTuber. I want to become one of these guys. So please just help me out. I would deeply appreciate it. Thanks. I know I have terrible quality, so you can leave in the comment section, no, you have terrible quality, I don't really care. At least I know, at least I'm not saying I have HD. I know I don't. And for some reason, man, they could not just kill me. There is a surprise in this video. sorry you guys don't hear any sound. Like somebody, if I remember right, somebody on my team needs some mode. This game was filmed a little bit ago. I mean, like a few weeks back. So I remember exactly all the details. So I do remember one of my teammates getting mobbed though. Pretty positive. Not stellar aim, guys, but not the best. I'm nowhere near the best player in the world, so who cares, right? It's a video game. Looks like I have 3 minutes left, so shout out to Scary Fairy, Adam. You know, pretty cool guy. He's funny. Do I use PC-130? I don't think I do yet. Yeah, I'm sorry about the lag, but you know theater mode. Oh crap. I'm getting invites, but I gotta... Sorry guys, posting YouTube. And Jose is actually one of the ones who freaking was playing with me, so if you guys wanted to know, I will be having open lobbies. So just message me at JimmyMarquis2, JimmyMarquis2, and message me saying you want to play, and I'll hit you up with an invite. So, and plus I'm only on PS3. I don't have an Xbox. I'm sorry for my Xbox subscribers. I think I wanted to talk about today was how much I used to make like little clips of me playing zombies. Like I've only had 2 videos so far, and I'm just getting into the YouTube ways because now I understand a lot more things. So if you guys could please give me a like, favorite, and maybe even subscribe if you loved it. If you like this video, I'm sorry about the quality. I will improve. Don't worry. Once I start getting my subscribers in my groove, I will improve. So if you guys could just help me, I will deeply appreciate it. So just like, favorite, if you like this video. I'm sorry about the quality, guys. I'm so sorry. Okay, and this is where part 1 ends, and I will upload part 2 now.